Good morning, students. In our last video, we have learned about adjectives. Now, we will read about comparisons. It is lesson 12 of English grammar. Students, what do you understand by comparisons? Yes, when we compare two things, means if there are two things and we compare their quality. Here, some sentences are there. The first is Varun is a tall boy. Here, we are describing the boy Varun with adjective tall. Aman is taller than Varun. Now we can see that both the boys are tall. But who is taller? Aman. Aman is taller than Varun. Now what we are doing here? We are comparing Aman and Varun. In second, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Now we are comparing Aman, Varun and Mohan in all the class. Means comparison between two things or persons. We use er form of the adjective when we compare two things. We use then also. First is Aman is taller than Varun. My eraser is smaller than yours. And third is the red sharpener is larger than the green sharpener. Children, when we compare two persons, things or animals, we use er form of the adjectives like taller, smaller and larger. Here is the definition of comparison of two things. What is it? When we compare two things, we use er form of the adjectives. But main thing is we also use then. But where? We will see in our exercise A. Children, in A exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in brackets. This book is dash than that one. Now here then is coming. So we will fill with er form of the word light. So the sentence will be this book is lighter than that one. The second is Mohan is dash than Sohan. And the word is strong. So the word will be stronger. In third, Tarun is dash than his brother. And the word is smart. So Tarun is smarter than his brother. In fourth, the aeroplane moves dash than the train. Again the word fast and it will be changed into faster. Fifth is Rita's hair is dash than Richa's hair. Here the word short will be changed into shorter. So student, you have to do the A exercise in your notebooks. We will read some more in our next slide. Students, there are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er. We have to add more before these words like comfortable, more comfortable, beautiful, more beautiful, interesting, more interesting, important, more important, and so many more words. Here, B exercise, we have to make comparisons using the words in brackets. I am dash in this seat than that. So here we will add more before the word comfortable. So the sentence will be, I am more comfortable in this seat than that. In second, Jyoti is dash than Meena. Here again we will put more before the word beautiful. So the sentence will be, Jyoti is more beautiful than Meena. Likewise, you have to add the word more before the bracket words and do this exercise. Now, comparison between more than two things or person. Children, till this we have learned about comparison between only two things. Now we will learn comparison between more than two things or persons. Read these sentences. Manya is the tallest girl in the class. Here, the comparison of Manya is with the all girls in her class. Second is, the blue box is the largest of all the boxes. And third is, Vinod is the strongest boy in the class. Students, when we compare between more than two persons or things or animals, we write est form of the adjectives. Here we can see in the cloud, when we compare more than two things, we use est form of the adjectives. We also use the with est. Children, when we were using er form of the word, we are using than before it. And now we will use est form. With it, we will use the word the. Here is C exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. The red car was the dash among all the cars. Here, the comparison of red car with all the cars. So, we will fill with the word biggest. Today is the dash day of the month. Now the word will be coldest. Third is, that is the dash building of the area. Here the word tall will be changed into tallest. Children, we will do some more exercise in our next slide. Students, as we have read that some big words can't be used for comparison by er, likewise they can't be used for comparison by using est. As we have to add more before them in exercise B, now we have to add most before them in exercise D. Like comfortable, most comfortable, beautiful, most beautiful, and many more. So in D exercise, we make comparisons using words in the brackets. This is the dash painting in the exhibition. The word is beautiful. So we will add most before the word beautiful. And the sentence will be, this is the most beautiful painting in the exhibition. Second is, yesterday's match was the dash match of the tournament. The word is exciting, so we will write most exciting. In third, this is the dash room of the house. Again the word colorful is here, so we will write, this is the most colorful room of the house. Children, like this you have to do D exercise. Now, as I explained you everything with using comparison of two persons, things or animals and more than two persons, things and animals, now it's time to do yourself. choose the correct words from the brackets. You have to be very careful while using the words from the bracket, that if there is the word the, then you have to use most, or if there is then in the sentence, then you have to use er form of the word. And if there is no the and no then you use the simple word in the sentence. So you have to do this exercise on your own. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Children, it's time to revise. When we show comparison between two things, animals or persons, we use er form of the adjectives like lighter, more intelligent, more beautiful with an adjective. When we compare more than two things, animals or persons, we use est form of the adjectives. Example, lightest, biggest, tallest, and many more. And we use most with the adjective. Those are big, like most important, most beautiful, most interesting, and many more. Students, I hope you all have understood the chapter comparison. But if you will not do practice of it, you will not be able to understand it properly. So do practice. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.